The Human Rights Council, guided by the Charter of the United Nations, reaffirming the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. The International Covenant on Economic, Social and Cultural Rights. The International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights. The International Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Racial Discrimination. The Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities. The Convention on the Rights of the Child. The Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination against Women. Reaffirming that all human rights are universal, indivisible, interdependent, and interrelated. Reaffirming also the Addis Ababa Action Agenda as an integral part of the 2030 Agenda. Expressing its deep concern at the number and the scale of natural disasters.
Noting the importance of some elements of the concept of climate justice. Appreciation the continued efforts of the United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights and highlighted the need to respond to the global challenge of climate change. Including by reaffirming the commitments to ensure effective climate action.
Land degradation, food security, and greenhouse gas fluxes in terrestrial ecosystems.
Request a special rapporteur, taking into consideration the challenges of developing countries, including small island developing states, least developed countries, and other climate vulnerable countries.
special rapporteur on the issue of human rights obligations relating to the enjoyment of a safe, clean, healthy and sustainable environment, and recalling on air pollution and human rights and a report of the special rapporteur on extreme poverty and human rights on climate change and poverty.
Acknowledging that as stated in the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, the global nature of climate change calls for the widest possible cooperation by all countries and their participation in an effective and appropriate international response in accordance with their common but differentiated responsibilities and respective capabilities and their social and economic conditions.
फायदा ज़राअत और आबी खुराक की पैदावार, समंदरों से मसावी, पेशीगोई, शफाफ और इंसानी हुकूक पर मबनी खुराक के निज़ाम की तर्ज बनाने को बढ़ाना, आलमी और कौमी सतह पर आगा हुआ की कार्रवाई की अहमियत इंसानी हुकूक काउंसिल के काम में साइंस पर मबनी नुक्ता नज़र और मकामी
reaffirming further its Resolution 71 of September 25, 2015, entitled Transforming Our World, in which it adopted a comprehensive, far-reaching, and people-centered set of universal and transformative sustainable development goals and targets. The 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development, its commitment to working tirelessly, ensuring that no one is left behind